Hardware and software. Let's learn about hardware, software. Now you have understood that computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work on a computer system. A computer system is made up of hardware and software. Hardware. Computer hardwares are the parts of a computer which you are able to touch and see. The human body consists of different parts. Some of them are visible, but those which are inside cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware that are outside. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. You can only see them when you open the CPU. There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers or pictures. These are called input devices. The keyboard and the mouse are the most common input devices. Can a computer run without hardware? There is no existence of computer without hardware. Almost all computer systems require at least a disk drive, example hard drive, monitor, keyboard, mouse, memory, ROM and RAM, motherboard, processor, power supply, and video card in order to function properly. If any of these devices is missing, an error would be encountered or the computer would not start. Adding other hardware such as disk drive, example CD or DVD, modem, printer, graphic card, network card, sound card, speakers, etc. are not required, but they give the computer additional capabilities. Let us know about some other input devices. Web camera. A web camera is used to view images on the computer screen. Using it with the help of internet, we can see far away person. But he should also have a web camera. A web camera is like a digital camera which is used as an input device by adding to the computer. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device. We use it for moving the pointer on the screen. It is usually used while playing games on the computer as it gives a better control. Microphone. A microphone is used to record any voice or sounds into a computer. Light pen. A light pen is an input device similar to a mouse. It is used to directly write and draw any figure on the computer screen. Trackball. A trackball is an alternative to a mouse. Instead of having a ball at the bottom, it has a ball on top. The user rolls this ball with his finger to move the pointer. It can be placed on any type of surface, including your lap. Scanner. A scanner is a device that can read words, pictures, or numbers printed on a paper and changes them into a form that a computer can understand. Now we will read about the output devices. The devices which display information are called output devices. Speakers. Speakers are an output device. We use speakers to listen to the sound and music played on the computer. Printer. A device that prints the information from computer screen onto paper. Plotter. It is a pen-based output device attached to a computer for printing a picture by a series of straight lines. Software. The software is a set of instructions or program that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. Software is a general term used for computer programs. A computer program is a planned, step-by-step set of instructions that directs the computer what to do and how to do. It turns the data into information that makes a computer useful. Can a computer run without software? In a most situation, yes. A computer can run without software being installed. However, if an operating system or interpreter is not found on the computer,
it would either generate an error.
Installing additional programs into the computer after installation of the operating system will only give additional ability to that computer. For example, a word processor is not required but will allow you to create documents and letters. What is a software? Let us understand this with the help of an example. Children, all of you must have seen and used a music system. All the parts like speakers, cassettes, tapes, etc. which you can touch and see are the hardware. Can you see the songs recorded on the tape? No. This is called a software. Software is the part of a computer which we cannot see and touch. A CD is a hardware, but the songs or movies which are stored in it cannot be touched. That is a software. A group of instructions given to the computer to do a particular work is called software. Without any software, the computer would be useless. Let's go back to the working of a computer. Which of the following steps are done by software? Yes, software does the processing. It makes the input from the user, processes it and displays the output on the monitor. The games that you play and the programs that teach you new and interesting things on your computer are software. Let us take another example. Television is hardware, but the programs that you watch on it are software. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. The system software controls the overall functionality of the computer. An operating system is a type of system software which provides the platform to use the computer. Let us understand operating system with an example. There is a car in a house. It has petrol, engine, wheels, but it is standing still. It is not moving because until a driver drives the car, it will not move. So the driver is the operator of the car. In the same way, the operating system is the driver of a computer which makes it run. Application software. The software that does a specific type of work is called the application software. Let us understand this with the help of an example. You have a juicer in your house. What do you do with that? You can only extract juice of fruits and vegetables with it. This indicates that you can do a specific type of job with one machine. There are different types of application software that help in doing certain types of jobs.